Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll discuss how to fix a GE dishwasher that's not drying. Watch the video until the end to learn how to go about this and more. First, let's look at why your GE dishwasher isn't drying your dishes. Common reasons include using cold water for the wash cycle, poor rack arrangement, or depleted rinse aid. Now, let's look at the possible troubleshoots to fix the issue. Use warm water for the wash cycles. Using warm water with the appliance enhances both cleaning and drying performance. Water supplied to the dishwasher should be between 120 and 140 degrees Fahrenheit. To ensure this, fully run the nearest water faucet, which shares a common supply line with the dishwasher, for some time before starting the dishwasher. This purges cold water from the hot water line. Properly arrange utensils in your dishwasher. Ensure that your dishes and utensils aren't in contact. Avoid overloading the racks too. Recharge the rinse aid. Check the rinse aid dispenser and recharge it if it's running low. This causes water to shed off dish and glassware, thus accelerating drying. So, there you have it. Fixing a GE dishwasher that's not drying is that simple. Thanks for watching. Till next time.